2, 1.
Sorry, it's because I was cleaning the floor.
Okay. What's up? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back, our 11 subscribers. 4 of them are our other accounts.
4 Gmail accounts. Well, in any case, welcome back, everyone.
Apparently, if you want to be YouTubers, you have to talk.
You have to talk in your videos.
Which we didn't know, so...
We obviously did not
We
know
quit.
That. No. So now we're gonna make a talking video. 12 hours ASMR challenge. We'll have fun.
Hello, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Okay, so essentially, we've seen really dope challenges on YouTube.
Yeah.
Where besties.
I hate the word besties. I don't care. You're my bestie. Bestie for the restie. Okay, so essentially best friends forever. BFF. BFF. Oh, BFF is better? Yeah. Okay, whatever. BFFs, whatever you want. Buy outfits
For each other. But it has to be like kind of funny, so basically, ew. Oh. Stop, pigeon. Basically, there's some parameters that we have to follow.
So, we can only spend 25 euros. Thank you, Elise. We have 45 minutes. Thank you, Elise. And
So funny.
the outfit has to be appropriate for a variety of occasions. Oh shoot, sorry vlog. I forgot to tell you. We need to get pants, shirt, and a cute accessory. Oh, Elise, I see you in my glasses. Wave, hi.
Time starts now.
Bye, Elise.
Bye.
Hello vlog. Okay, so I just left Elise and I'm going into Bershka. I feel like that's a pretty dope start. I don't really know what Elise likes, to be honest. She likes some pretty weird things, so let's see.
I've decided to head right on into Primark because I think there's gonna be some cute stuff in here for pretty cheap, so yeah.
Okay, so I was thinking maybe something like this too. Impress me human.
I'm not gonna lie, this store is actually massive and I'm so overwhelmed with the choices. I'm getting so stressed.
Me trying to act natural when I see my crush. This is perfect for Elise.
Okay, I was really not into anything in Primark. Like, there was just too many options. I was stressed. I couldn't think of anything, so Primark was a no.
Okay, bad news. There was nothing in Bershka. Nothing. I was thinking Elise would like these dope loose pants, you know, like a gangster a little bit. But no.
Okay, immediately I'm having better luck in Bershka, so I think that's better. I've already found 2 tops that I think would be like really funny.
Me and Elise are about the same size, so I was thinking I'll just try on these pants and see if they fit or not. Hey, this is a big no. Please look at this. They don't even zip up. And I look like a clown. Well, that was a big fail part 2. I found nothing again.
Okay, got it. First thing. So this is what I wanted. Nothing really worked out in Zara, even though it was really good sale on. Oh, there she is. Okay, we have to leave now.
Okay, I just saw Elise and she had a bag. I haven't bought anything yet. I'm just so stressed because I don't know. Too expensive. Not that. Okay, I'm getting so stressed.
I did not have a backup plan for that, so I was like, if I don't find anything in Zara, like I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna check Primark again.
Okay, I don't know if I'm stupid or what, but I just can't find the sale section. I guess I am dumb. Super trendy here in Amsterdam lately. Maybe they'd look super dope on Elise. I'm gonna try them out and see if the size is good and see. These could be good.
Okay, I'm having a lot better luck up here. I was getting really nervous for a second because there was no pants downstairs and I was like, okay, maybe in Primark I just don't sell any pants, I suppose. But we're getting a lot better here. But I'm still really nervous because I don't know if she's gonna like any of this stuff. So I think those pants with pink stripes would be so funny to put her in because she thinks she's a gangster. I just can't imagine any gangster wearing these pink and white striped pants.
Okay, sad news. Those pants were tiny, so I don't know about these sizes. I still have nothing. I'm running out of time. Oh, perfect.
I definitely just wasted time in Primark doing nothing.
Okay, on my way out again because there's nothing here. Oh shoot, 20 euros. Okay, I got my first item. Finally! Oh, okay, now I just need a top and an accessory. All for 5 euros. 5 euros! The clock is ticking and I'm back in Zara. Hopefully I find something here this time. Ooh.
That was the worst H&M. I was so confused.
Oh, cheetah shirt with the cheetah skirt. And this cheetah scarf. Should be cheetah girl. Okay, I was thinking either a black or white plain tee with this cheetah skirt. That'd be pretty cool. Probably the black one. Hello again, vlog. I've just completed my second purchase. I feel like these heart ones are kind of cute. I don't think... Yeah, I'm gonna get these. How much are they? Oh no, I'm not.
I just finished picking her outfit. I think she's gonna hate it though. It's like the worst, most colorful outfit in the world. I think it's so funny because she's not gonna like it, but I kind of like it because I have the fashion sense of like a loser, I guess.
Hello, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
So we completed our shopping.
We did.
So now we're going back to my apartment.
We're gonna try everything on. Please pray that it fits because I didn't try anything.
I
And
hope you like it, Elise. I don't feel like mine. I don't feel like it, but no, I'm sure I'm gonna like yours because you're confident. I picked mine and I was like, at this point, anything goes. I was in the last 10 minutes and I was like, okay, especially the accessory. The accessory is a little bit weird, but my accessory is really funny. I was just looking for something that won't cost the budget too much. That's the only thing. Same.
can I take a peek?
No. That's not allowed. That's not allowed. That's not allowed. Okay, it's really simple, but please read what it says. 50% evil.
You do that face where you go. How do I do that? You have to me to be funny. Yeah. Oh. Well, I think it's my too. I'll hand it to you. I don't know why my hand is held. Okay. Ooh. It's a little simple.
I swear, are we the same? It's nice though.
Absolutely. It's like
Perfect for
surprise.
church.
Perfect.
Okay, actually I like it that way.
Close your eyes. Sorry. Which you already saw.
I didn't. I promise I
Hold
didn't.
your hand out.
Oh.
Or just.
Can I open now?
Put your hand out. One hand. Yeah.
Oh my
That's
lord.
why I said it was a colorful outfit.
You want me to wear this all together?
You look like 11.
Now I actually look like Bob the Builder. With my helmet.
Okay, am I? Should I
Okay,
see?
open.
Wait.